In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change capitalization in Canva. If you've ever wanted to switch a block of text from lowercase to uppercase for a cleaner, more impactful look, Canva makes it incredibly simple with a single control. This is perfect for headlines, social posts, or when you need consistent styling across your design without retyping anything. Start by opening your project in Canva. It can be any design, a presentation, a social media graphic, a poster, or a document. Once your design is on screen, click on the text you want to adjust. You can click once to select the text box, or click again to place your cursor inside it if you plan to edit specific words. The key is to have text selected, so Canva shows you the editing tools you need. When your text is selected, look just above your design area for the floating toolbar. This is where you'll find your font, size, color, alignment, and effects. Among those controls, look for the icon that shows a small a next to a capital A. That's the capitalization setting you're after. It can be easy to overlook if you're new to Canva, but it's right there with the other text options whenever text is selected. Click that small a and capital A icon once, and your selected text will instantly switch to uppercase. The transformation is immediate and keeps all your styling intact, including your font choice, color, spacing, and effects. If you change your mind or want to return to the original capitalization, click the same icon again. It toggles on and off, so you can test how your design looks in uppercase without committing to a permanent change. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. The capitalization setting applies only to the text you've selected, so if you have multiple text boxes, make sure to select each one you want to update. It's also non-destructive, which means the original capitalization is preserved in the background. You can keep typing while the setting is on, and your new text will follow the current style. If you don't see the icon, double-check that you've selected a text box and that the floating toolbar is visible. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select your text, click the small a and capital A icon, and you're done. It's a fast, reliable way to create consistent, polished text styling across your Canva designs.